Hello guys, this is Lauren and welcome to my indoor garden. So today, this is the first time that I'm going to plant rice. Yes, rice in Germany. So I have here seeds that I bought online. The label is mochi rice. So this might be a Japanese rice variety. So let's see if they will gonna put uh, rice corns or I don't know. Let's just experiment. My hobby is also experimenting. So let's gonna open it and what is this? What is this? The rice has no husk, guys. Do you think it will gonna grow? Look at this. I'm gonna zoom it. Look at that. They are only plain rice without skin. Do you think they will gonna grow? I don't think so. I don't think so. Because in the Philippines, when we are planting rice, we plant it with husk or skin. But this is different. I doubt, guys, if it is if they're germinate or not, or I don't know. Oh god, I'm speechless with this. I never thought that they sell rice corns without husk for planting. That's amazing. So anyways, I'm gonna plant them anyway. So here is my germination tray. I'm gonna put enough soil, and yeah. But still, in the corner of my mind, I don't know if they're going to grow. So let's just do the process. Now I'm gonna put the rice on the top of the soil, and I wish and I hope that they will gonna grow, because these rice corns are not cheap if you buy it here in Germany. I think this amount is just like €3, €3 plus. I don't know. I'm still thinking of if it is possible that to grow this rice. But anyway, guys, the rice corns have still the outer skin, or the thin film layer. But let's see. So I'm putting a small amount of soil on top of them. They should not be so deep, so that I don't know. I just don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just a little bit what do you call this? I don't know. I'm really speechless. So okay, then I'm gonna water it. Careful, so that the rice corns will not gonna comes out. Oops, I think there's a rice corn there. So to make our video not so boring, I'm gonna make it faster so that it's better. So after watering, I'm gonna write the variety of this rice, mochi rice. So today is the 2nd of April or April 2. So, and then, yeah, let's put on the propagator. So after 21 days, here they are. Here it is. So not all rice corns germinated. I only have here 2, 4, 6, around 8. But I'm still waiting for a few days, and let's see if yeah, I hope the other corns will still going to grow later on. That's why I want to wait a little bit, and then I'm gonna transfer this rice plants here in small pots. So guys, please watch for the update about this rice soon, and thank you very much for watching. This is Lauren. God bless you all. Bye bye.